Stormwatch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Well, we will see some areas of smoke and haze impacting parts of the coast from the flat fire. Look for decreasing and clearing marine clouds, winds picking up out of the north-northwest, highs in the upper 60s to lower 70s. Pretty hot throughout Siskiyou County, smoky and hazy throughout the day today. 98 in Wairika, 95 in Mount Shasta, and up to 99 in Happy Camp. Winds turning breezy this afternoon. It'll be another hot one for the east side. 96 in Paisley and Lakeview, up to 93 in Klamath Falls, and 86 up in Chemult. We will see some smoke and haze throughout the day today, but as winds pick up across the region, we're going to start to see that smoke and haze get ushered out for a lot of inland areas. Up to 82 today for Lake of the Woods, 88 in Prospect, and then for the Rogue Valley, look for those temperatures to climb into the 90s this afternoon with winds picking up out of the northwest. We could see gusts as high as 25 miles per hour or so. Here's a look at your Rogue Valley planner for today. Hot this afternoon, pretty smoky through a good chunk of the day, but as winds pick up, we'll see a lot of that smoke and haze clear as we head into this evening. Here's a look at that near surface smoke forecast. Notice as we move into the evening hours, a lot of that lower level smoke getting ushered out. We will see big reductions in air quality further downwind from the flat fire into parts of Curry and Del Norte County into tonight. And then as we go through your Sunday, a lot less smoky overall for the region. There will be some light haze, but less of an air quality impact for much of our region. But downwind from the flat fire in especially the Illinois Valley, we will see some reductions in air quality again as we move late Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening. So we'll keep an eye on that for you. Your wine tasting forecast definitely tomorrow looking better as far as air quality and smoke is concerned. Still some pretty hot temperatures through this weekend with highs mainly in the 90s. Crater Lake, less hazy for your Sunday. Winds will be picking up as well, up to 71 on Sunday. Looks beautiful for heading up to Crater Lake. We will see some passing higher level clouds through this weekend, but we do look to stay dry. Heading up to Lost Creek today, 90 degrees with that passing smoke and haze, up to 88 on Sunday. And then taking a look at those winds, they pick up this afternoon, but you'll notice winds as we move into Sunday afternoon and evening, some stronger gusts, especially over on the east side where gusts over 30, maybe 35 miles per hour will be possible. And that's going to be a concern when it comes to critical fire weather conditions. The best chance at maybe a red flag warning getting issued on Sunday. That's going to be the windier day in the region. We'll still have some low humidity and heat in the region. We'll have to watch that closely for the east side for the potential for critical fire weather conditions where fires can spread very rapidly. Regardless, use extreme caution out there this weekend with the hot, blustery and dry weather. So 7-day forecast for the coast, 60s next week. Some marine layer clouds at times, especially in the morning hours through early week. Taking a look at Northern California, hot this weekend, some smoky conditions today. A little bit less smoky though for tomorrow on your Sunday. Winds will be blustery through this weekend into the start of next week. Notice that cool down next week. Highs in the 80s in the Klamath Basin as opposed to the 90s. Those nights will be a bit cooler as well. Up in the mountains, staying dry, no signs of rain in our extended forecast. And then for the Rogue Valley, those temperatures this weekend well into the 90s. Smoky today, a bit less so for more of the valley on Sunday. And then temperatures much more pleasant next week. It's going to be fairly seasonal with highs generally staying in the lower 90s.